also the system solutions tailored for your business. So if you are interested in our products, you can contact us through the telephone number or the email below. You can see our contact information. And anyway, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this live stream with your friends. You can click the bell icon so that next time when we have new live stream or new videos, you will get notified right away. Please don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you want to know, and I will reply to you. Okay, so today first I'm going to introduce to you our products, this model, and it is this one. It's model name COES, C-O-E-U-S, COES. Okay, you can see COES. The first give you a brief introduction. It is a temperature and humidity data logger, and it is configurable and battery rechargeable. It comes with a large LCD screen to display the temperature and humidity. And the built-in file generation function enables this temperature data logger to directly generate data report in PDF or CSV format by inserting the logger into the computer with no software required. This wireless data logger can record the temperature of foods, and the temperature of pharmaceuticals and other products during their storage and transport. It has some great features that will it's a very good quality. And first, as you see, it has a large LCD screen for real-time data display. You can see the this device is just a sample. Okay, so from the screen you will see the temperature and the humidity. It's a real-time viewing of current temperature and humidity of the environment, and also it will show the max value, mean value of the temperature and the humidity, and also the date and time and the battery level. And second, this data logger can be available to generate a temporary report. It will be automatically generated when the logger is connected to the USB port of the computer. And it also has audible and visual alarms. Built-in and external sensors can measure ultra-low temperature to -200 degrees with high accuracy. It's suitable for dry ice and liquid nitrogen storage and transportation. It has up to 35,000 readings for temperature point storage. And next, the features. It has long working time and the battery rechargeable. At the back side is the battery, and you can open the back cover and you will see the rechargeable lithium battery. It has long working time, adopting a rechargeable lithium battery up to 500 working days for inner probe only, and the working days depending on the specific purpose. Also, if you connect the temperature data logger with computer, it will directly generate data report with no software required. Okay, this is the features. And next, according to different application, you can choose different options of the temperature sensors. It has multiple versions for your choice. The internal sensor and the external sensor. The internal sensor can have a temperature range from -20 to 50 degrees, and for the external sensor, as you see, it has external sensor. The external sensor is also have multiple types. You can choose from -30 to 70, from -90 to 200, and from -200 to 90, according to your actual requirement. So totally 4 types of sensors is available for your choice. This is external sensor, and as you can see, this cable for the external sensor, normally we have 2 versions, 2 meters and 3 meters long. And the external sensor, as you can see, the sensor head is made by stainless steel material. Refer to the applications. It can be used in different industries or different scenarios. First, in bioproduct. So this data logger has an external probe with a wire of 2 or 3 meters, which can record and monitor the ultra-low temperature in cold storage, cold chain transportation, and dry ice storage environment. The biochemical laboratory needs to record the temperature and humidity of the experiment. So a digital temperature humidity sensor is necessary to the biochemical lab. And the preservation of drugs, blood samples, serum, and chemical reagents in medical industry needs constant temperature and humidity. Our logger can monitor and record the temperature and humidity in the whole storage process. Another side, for cigar room or red wine storage, as you know, this product is very sensitive to light, so it should be stored away from light. The ideal storage temperature should be about 12 to 15 degrees. The wine should be kept in environment at about 70% RH. Therefore, they need to be stored in a special wine cellar, and our logger is necessary to monitor the temperature and humidity in this environment. At the same time, similarly, the cigarettes also need to be stored in a certain temperature and humidity environment. Our logger, for a long time, to ensure that they are under the appropriate temperature and humidity. This device is mainly used for indoor temperature monitoring, such as in the baby room, living room, and other rooms to display the temperature and humidity in real time. You can intuitively view the current temperature and humidity, and also the history max value and the mean value of the temperature and the humidity values. And in another application, the food industries. In food industries, the COIS device room temperature recorder can be placed in the living room, baby room, and other rooms in the house to display the temperature and humidity in real time. You can judge the room environment according to the temperature and humidity. The field of agricultural research is very concerned about environmental temperature and humidity. Agricultural greenhouse planting needs this wireless HACCP temperature and humidity data logger to monitor and record temperature and humidity so as to ensure the healthy growth of vegetables and fresh produce. Production workshops and warehouses in the food industry also have a strict HACCP temperature requirements for temperature and humidity in the environment. So temperature humidity recorder is used to ensure the production quality of all links. There are many precious cultural relics in the museum. They must be kept in a certain environment. This wireless device can monitor the temperature and humidity for a long time to ensure that they are under the appropriate environment. So, according to different application, as I just told you, it has different version of the sensors. From -20 to 50 degrees, the internal sensor, and optional external sensor probe. From -30 to 70, from -90 to 200, and from -200 to 90 degrees. The temperature accuracy from -90 to 50 degrees, it is ±0.5 degrees. And in other range, it has accuracy of 1 degrees. The humidity range for the internal sensor only, it is 0 to 99% RH, no dews, no condensation. Humidity accuracy is ±3% RH. So this device, it has a version, two different versions for the network communication. As you can see, it can work by standalone type, and it's also available to connect with Wi-Fi network. So currently, we name it two models, COIS-UEX and COIS-Wi-Fi. So COIS-UEX is a type of standalone, and another version, another type model name is COIS-Wi-Fi. So if you choose the Wi-Fi type, the parameter is configuration available by network and Bluetooth. And as you can see, it when you need to download the data report, you just connect the device with the computer through this port, through the Type-C port, USB Type-C port. And the input of this device is DC power. DC power. It is 5 voltage, 1 amps. Standard power consumption is less than 23 milliamp. It has a battery, the battery configuration, the parameter is 2600 mAh, 3.6 voltage rechargeable, and the charging time for the inside the battery is about 5 hours, and after full charge it can work max 360 days. When you receive the products, if you want to configure with the device, you will need to install the free app COIS Tools to your mobile phone from Google Store, and then press and hold the button until the Bluetooth icon appears on the screen. Open the app on your mobile, and you can see all the parameters, and you can do the configuration. After configuration, the Bluetooth mode will be exited, or you can press and hold the button for more than 2 seconds until the Bluetooth icon disappears to exit the Bluetooth mode. When configuring parameters on configuration app, please be sure to save parameters, or it will lose what you have configured. So for start this device, there are 3 different methods. First, there are 2 methods to start. After configuration, the logger will start to work directly. If at power off status, you can press the button for less than 2 seconds to start the logger. So as you can see, there is only one button of the device. Only one button on the device. So it's easy for operation. And you can easily learn how to use it. So as I just told you that it has two different sensors. Before start, if the external probe is plugged into the device reads the temperature information from this external sensor after start. Otherwise, it shows temperature and humidity information from the internal sensor. So the internal sensor is built in and it is undetachable. At monitoring status, the sensors could be selected. And during working, you can also switching the temperature unit from Celsius and Fahrenheit. At monitoring status, when the temperature is out of alarm range, the red LED flashes 3 times every 15 seconds, and the buzzer alarms 3 times every 1 minute. So there are two LED light, 2 LED light. It's very a little small, and but when it gives light, you will see it's very apparently. So I will repeat. At monitoring status, when the temperature is out of alarm range, the red LED will flash 3 times every 15 seconds. 3 times every 15 seconds, which means every 5 seconds. And in normal working status, you will see the green light. Flashes every 30 seconds. At alarm status, press the button shortly. At alarm status, press the button shortly and the buzzer will be mute. And the LCD screen will show sound off, SOF, sound off. At this status, only the red LED flashes to indicate the alarm. If you press the button shortly again, the buzzer will give audio alarm again. The screen will show SON. It means sound on. So at a monitoring status, you can press the button for 3 seconds. Press the button and hold it for 3 seconds. The device will be stopped and the power off. And after power off, you can connect with computer and export and generate the data report to your computer. After you have downloaded the data report, you can restart the device. And the device will start to record again. Okay, just now I have introduced most of the features and the functions and the operations of this device. If you have anything you want to know, you can let me know, and I will reply to you. And by the way, let me show you the device. Let me show you the device clearly and in details and closely. From the first side, from the front side, you can see it's a white color housing case, and large LCD screen. Large LCD screen. Currently, the temperature sensor is abnormal, so this sample is just a sample. You can see but the time and date here is available to show, and also the battery level, and also the parameters position. So, and at the back side, normally we can put some label information here, like the model number, the manufacturing date, expiration date, serial number, etc. And also some certificates like CE rolls, battery indication, and at the left side there is a small hole, and from here you can see it is the temperature sensor, and right side you can see there are two port. One is for charging and connecting to computer. It is type C, and another round type pin port. It is for external sensor. Okay. Oh, I see. For external sensor. So generally, it is a compact design and very simple, and you can, I believe, everybody you can learn how to use it very easily. And for your living room or for special industries like cold storage or some transportation, or maybe in museum, many places you can use it to monitor the temperature and the humidity, and also get to know the record in a history in a period. Okay, this is the general information of the device. COIS, we name it COIS, C-O-E-U-S, COIS. It has two versions. One is COIS-UEX. It is standalone type. Another type is COIS-Wi-Fi, COEUS-WIFI, COIS-Wi-Fi. It is Wi-Fi communication. So we have two versions. Of course, the two versions have different price. Standalone and network version at different price. And also for special customization requirement, we can also make ODM or OEM to paste here special information regarding customer's logo or model, and even the network communication can be set, and also the software and the system can use customer own server. So it's welcome for orders of OEM orders, ODM orders, OPM orders are all available. We are original manufacturer and we are professional manufacturer. We are so good at it. So every customer, if you need some information, welcome. If you want to do some modification on the device, you can also feel free to let us know. Okay, let's take a small break, and after then I will continue with another model. So our factory located in Zhengzhou City and Henan Province in China. It's in our factory. Our position is in the middle of China, in the middle area of China. Henan Province, Zhengzhou City. We focus on the temperature monitoring only, especially the cold chain application. And I can also show you that we have some professional certifications regarding our temperature data loggers and also our company. This is a CE, and this is DGM for air shipment certification to prove it is not dangerous goods. And FCC, and this is ISO certificates, and also our test report. It is DO-160, and also have many certificates. And also the calibration certificate, and yes, it's a very popular, and most customers, when they place order with us, they also require the calibration software certificate regarding each of the device. We can also provide. We have our own calibration lab, and we can do the testing and also the calibration operation. This is another measurement certificate. It's calibration certificate by another measurement lab. It is very famous in China. CNS, and I like. It's all third-party certificates, and this one, it is also calibration certificate by third party. Okay, so now let's continue. I'm going to, let me check. Okay, I'll show you this. It is a small device. It is a single-use temperature data logger. Okay. Right. Let's start. First, introduction. Okay. This is, as you can see, it is small size. It has a model Freshtag 1. Freshtag 1. F-R-E-S-H-T-A-G 1. Freshtag 1. Model Freshtag 1. It is single-use USB type temperature data logger. Okay, this logger is the ideal choice for monitoring and recording temperature changes of temperature-sensitive goods during transportation. It is low cost, easy to operate, and takes up little space. The built-in PDF file generation function can generate data reports in a modifiable PDF format by plugging the logger into a computer through the USB interface. We offer a variety of models with different functions, and the trip can cover 7 days, 15 days, and up to 240 days. To meet the special needs of various applications, the products are made of food grade packaging material. It is compact and lightweight, waterproof packaged, and widely used. So Freitag One USB temperature logger is very suitable for cold chain transportation of drugs, frozen food, fresh food, vegetables, fish, meat, etc. The transportation of biological and pharmaceutical-based vaccines and protein products can also obtain ideal temperature monitoring solutions from this product. Okay, next let me introduce its features. Product features. First, it can automatically generate PDF report without software. When you plug into the computer through the USB port, the logger will generate PDF report automatically in your computer. No software required. Second, built-in USB interface for direct connection to computer or Android phone. No data cable or card reader required. The temperature range is from -30 to 70, -30 to 70 degree. And next, it has low power consumption, large capacity. Low power consumption, large capacity. It has maximum 1200 and 1209,000 readings, and it can work up to 1 year, no problem. And it has water package conforms to IP67. The waterproof package conforms to IP67. All data and parameters are preset by the factory and easy to operate, and also pre-calibrated by the factory before dispatch. Finally, it has multiple options. You can choose different days according to your actual needs. For example, 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or 180 days, basing on your own requirement. As you can see this sample, this device is 90 days. This device is 90 days. So our Freitag One single-use temperature data logger has a variety of models to cover different trip days, or even 1 year trips to meet the concrete needs of various applications. Moreover, this USB device is equipped with red, green, and yellow indicators, which can indicate its alarm, OK, and fault status. From the downside, you can see there are three color: red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, and it has different meaning for the. It is 3 different light, LED light. In different status, it will give you different indication. And as you know, fruit or vegetable buyers will often ask vendors to implement a food safety management system based on HACCP principles. Food products safety must be traceable throughout the entire supply chain. After the trip completed, you can tear off this plastic bag and plug it into the computer, and then the report with graph and table will be automatically generated. This report will not only be the proof of food safety compliance, but also the necessary evidence for product owner and the cold chain carrier if the cold chain performance objection is required. Okay, so these are its applications. Next, about specification for this device. Model Freitag 1, as temperature range is from -30 to 70. Temperature range from -30 to 70. Temperature accuracy is ±0.5 degrees. Temperature accuracy is 0.5 degrees, and it has working days optional with 7 days, 15 days, and up to 300 days. Memory capacity, it has 1209,600 readings. Display, it has LED indications. Here, LED indications, 3 different colors. Resolution 0.1 degrees. Start delay can be set from 0 minute to 24 hours. Log interval is from 1 minute to 24 hours. Report format could be PDF, could be CSV, could be PDF and CSV. And report output is automatic generation without software. Alarm point is customizable. You can inform us our factory before place orders. And battery inside the device, it is 3.0 voltage battery, Coan battery, a button battery. It's a small battery. Here, this place. The sticker cover it. The label sticker cover it. And it's a connection with USB port. Connection through USB port. Compatible operating system. Windows okay, and Mac system also okay. Shelf life, it has shelf life of 18 months. And certifications, CE ROS EN12830. CE ROS and EN certifications. Okay, this is the main specification. And next, how to use. I will tell you. Okay, let's continue. So how to use for the recording for the operation. The operation, as you can see, has only one button. Only one button, the power button. Press the button and hold for 5 seconds. Hold for 5 seconds. The green indicator will flash 3 times. Green indicator will flash 3 times. It means the data logger starts recording. Take off the serial number label and paste on the area needed for recording or marks. After monitoring, open the waterproof bag and connect the logger with computer, and the data report will be generated automatically on computer. So it's easy. Most important thing I want to introduce to you about the LED status, LED indicators. You see there are three LED lights. Red, yellow, and green. The green indicator flashes 3 times. It means data logger starts working. The green indicator flashes every 30 seconds. It means data logger in working status. And in alarm, red indicator flashes 3 times. Data logger stops recording. Red indicator flashes every 30 seconds. It is generate. It means alarm status. And data report. Red indicator flash every 30 seconds. It means data logger works at alarm status. If data report is generated to computer already, after connect them, the red indicator will flash once. Caution: the data logger is powered by built-in lithium battery. Do not have it charged. So inside it is a built-in lithium battery. You cannot charge the battery. Cannot tear off the label and charge the battery. The stored data can be still read while the battery is too low to keep recording. Please make sure the USB port connects correctly to computer while reading the data. Okay, it's just the operation, very easy. So when you receive the device, if you want to start to use it, you will just press the button and hold for 3 seconds. You will see the